Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video, and in today's video we are fixing an Elementor uploading issue. So whenever we upload Elementor template we get not found error. So let's try this. So I'm uploading a JSON template, and while uploading I get an error. An error occurred, please try again. In this video we'll be fixing this issue, so keep watching. So guys, it's really simple to fix the issue, and before we fix the issue, make sure to subscribe the channel, comment on the video below, and do not forget to put the bell icon on. Okay, now let's go to the backend of WordPress, the WordPress dashboard, and go to Elementor and then settings, and from there click on advanced, and here as you can see we have option to enable or disable unfiltered file uploads. So basically Elementor have added an additional feature where we can just stop being SVG and JSON file to be included. Now what I'm going to do, from disable I'll make it enable and click on save changes. And now let's go back and try to upload our JSON template which we were trying to do. Click on select file and go back to our Elementor JSON file format. And here we go. So that's the template which I imported. Now let's insert it. And our template has been imported now. It's taking a while to load. And here we go. Our template has been imported. So guys, if this video helped you fixing your Elementor issue, let us know in the comments below. And if you are having any other issues with Elementor or your Shopify website or any other issues with your website, let us know in the comments below and we'll try to help. Have a great day.